Greetings and welcome to Wall Street Trading Room. If you found us, congratulations. We are Wall Street's premier trading room. We offer traders around the world live technical analysis, stock news plays before they hit the majority of Wall Street news wires. Discover Wall Street's largest active online trader community today and why day traders around the world use Wall Street Trading Room as their market edge. Try a free trial today. It takes less than 10 seconds to sign up, and we look forward to seeing you on the live trading broadcast. Sideways and lower, and in just the options, the calls were just getting murdered, as these things have so much value on the time value because of the types of movements that LinkedIn has. So already I have come with the self-conclusion that I love the breakout trades, and I am better at breakout trades for myself. Doesn't mean I can't call a Morgan Stanley. Doesn't mean, Dave W. calling a million of the, ascending supports out as well. But we're going to talk a little about this today. And we're going to talk about traders who like to put off their losses, postpone them, if you will, into the future because they want to see their positions come back and work. And this is one of the beauties about options. And one of the keys to managing, your risk is to really lock in losses just like you lock in profits. It's okay if you want to take 50, 60, 70 cents, but it is crucial that you don't lose much more than that on another trade. You want to take 50% of your money on an options trade, you should be able to lose 50% of your money on another options trade or stock trade even for that matter. And what happens is these perfectionist traders, if you will, think that they can avoid every single loss that occurs to them, which, will ultimately lead to postponing that one loss that eventually becomes a huge loss. You know which loss I'm talking about. What have I done? Oh, it's that. I shoulda, coulda, woulda. Oh my God, what did I do now? Additionally, these perfectionist traders try to define opinions about where the market is headed all the time and have difficulty changing opinions at the appropriate time. These two psychological factors between the inflexibility of the human trader brain and postponing these losses put together need to be eliminated because they literally interfere with sound risk management. The market is ultimately set up, the boxes, the algorithms are set up to really provoke primitive emotional reactions from reactive traders and take full advantage of them without mercy. You're going to need to reduce these procedural errors to minimal levels if you are going to follow any type of market plan. So again, I came in here today for my intraday stuff. I just come in, two trades, a quick stop loss in Cena and BlackBerry. That's it. And if you could just find that one BlackBerry, that one stock, you're probably going to be in a good position. Is it a coincidence that Inovio Pharmaceuticals is doing well now after Donnie spoke about it this morning, and I can show you why. Because what Donnie loves is high volume that could, lead to higher movements throughout the day. And check out the volume today compared to the last few days on the 5-minute here. You could see that tremendous volume. You ready for this? You ready for this? Look at BlackBerry. Look at that volume. Compare it to the first 5-minute volume from yesterday or the day before, the day before, the day before. See where I'm getting at? Now you're breaking descending resistance. Now if you're able to hold this BlackBerry and you do get a follow through, you don't need to be the person purchasing it right here. You didn't need to wait for that conviction, which ultimately belies the next step of my strategy, which I really am going to be attacking, and you're going to see me attacking stocks like this. So if you want to find stocks that I like to attack right now for me, I want to find stocks that are approaching descending resistance lines or just breaking descending resistance lines with a ton of volume early on, showing the underlying implied volatility ultimately for the options you'll be trading. It's nice when your BlackBerry calls more than double. And look when we put out the bullish note. Let me show you. This is when we put it out. Right over here on the third 5-minute bar, when you put in a bullish engulfing bar with another surge of volume, you are right near the descending resistance line. You could even see the bar that was able to break through just suddenly randomly get volume. All of a sudden, a bar with a $9.74 to $9.85 range, not a whole number or anything. Just weird, out of place, right? And you could literally see it breaking the descending resistance line early. And why would you bet on it breaking through? Because you have that increased volume early. So if you can find stocks that do have early volume approaching major descending resistance levels, those are the names that I am seeing winning across the board. And I'm not just talking about that today. I've been looking at it over the weekend. I've been using the past 2 weeks of data as well. It's just happening every day. Every time you just have an abnormal amount of volume, not just on one 5-minute bar, but several. Look at them throughout the day. Look at this bull flag digestive pattern. When you start doing things like that, it makes it easy to make very bullish calls on BlackBerry. And I made another very bullish intraday call on Yelp. This stock, look at that, 97.22. It did indeed in the end hit the all-time highs. And this was literally made this was basically made right over here when you started getting these surges of volume early on. Compare it to the last few days. Compare literally the first 5-minute volume bars compared to yesterday, or rather Friday and Thursday and Wednesday. You see that surge of volume. That's why it was easy to make a very bullish call here in Yelp. So with intraday plays only giving you that answer after they put in volume, those are the names I want to attack. I want to attack high volume names early, approaching descending resistance lines that are breaking out or looks at or right underneath the descending resistance. A little above is okay. But I want to be within that range, and that ultimately is what's going to help me capitalize in a market trading as this. I hope you guys enjoyed the live webcast presentation. You have to remember that success is sweet, but the road to success is very bitter. So bitter that one could be forced to doubt the sweetness of success. I hope you guys again enjoyed the live webcast presentation. If any of you guys have any questions or any stocks you'd like broken down,